For both teams, I would like to read first the members or the rosters of each team. Bowling Kuya Edge, number 1 Ibanez, number 15 De La Cruz, jersey number 23 Costanyo, number 21 Bartolome, 42 Rafinha, number 7 Ihara, number 2 Cruz, number 10 Paulino, number 3 Fugatsu, number 13, Parilla, number 27, Oshones, number 17, Sofrefenia, and number 18, Pakatang. We would like to request the players to follow the Kuya Eds. Stay in the middle for the picture taking. And for the Nickel Holmes. Players in the middle with the committee and the referees. Championship match, Miguel against Kuya Edge. Players. Nickel Holmes. Nickel Holmes. Players, all players. Okay, mga maniniyot, onegaishimasu.
Ate Jenny, gikuha na ako sila. Okay lang?
Ipahatag ang kamera kay Kuano.
Dili parts. Stop parts.
Picture ito. Ato ito mo. Grace. Ito ni Manila. Sa Barbie ako ikuha. Don't be shy.